Hi guys, welcome back. And this is my presentation of the watch list that I'm going to keep for a few days. And before I go there, we will be talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So have a look at the Nifty today. There is a price rejection. आप देखेंगे नीचे से price rejection Nifty को हुआ है. And कहाँ पे मेरी एंट्री बनेगी? हम एक एंट्री की पॉसिबिलिटी सोच सकते हैं 16,700. Right now, it closed about 15,583. But this I'm talking about futures, but 16 about almost like 100 points. In case Nifty closes tomorrow above 16,700, we can assume that the stance of Nifty is slightly positive. We're going to look into the Nifty in 1 hour time frame and see what is happening. And let's see, this is 1 hour time frame, and have a look at it. It hovered at about 16,461. यहाँ पे आके निफ्टी थोड़ी देर, जहाँ पे इसको कल सपोर्ट लगा था, वहां पे आके निफ्टी थोड़ी देर लाइक फ्राइडे को जहां सपोर्ट लगा था वहां आके निफ्टी ने थोड़ा रेस्ट किया, and then it gave a positive breakout in the last almost, right after the morning candle. It just went in the upward direction. So the stance of Nifty slightly looks positive, not very positive, but towards the end, as the metal Nifty or even IT for that matter, even the banking sectors recovered a little bit, slightly there is a possibility that Nifty can be having a positive stance. Then we're going to look into the Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty, this is Nifty, Bank Nifty's 1 hour time frame, but let's have a look into the 1 day time frame. So the stance of Bank Nifty is positive, but yet, the selling that came on Friday is pretty much aggressive selling, right? So we cannot say that the sellers have been taken out. There is not a clear direction about Bank Nifty as of now, right? And इसका बहुत बड़ा reason है कि आज Axis Bank was under stress, whereas ICICI Bank was positive. When both the stocks like Axis and ICICI Bank, if both of them are in the same direction, mostly Bank Nifty gives a very beautiful directional breakout. बट राइट नाउ बिकॉज एक ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में और एक पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में है, इतना अच्छा मूवमेंट नहीं दिख रहा है निफ्टी में. बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ी सी देयर इज अ हैसल दैट्स गोइंग ऑन इन द बैंक निफ्टी. सो डिसाइसिव मूव के लिए हमको वेट करना पड़ेगा, मे बी अ डे और टू मोर, एंड मे बी आफ्टर दिस एक्सपायरी सम मोर क्लैरिटी में कम इन. बट बात करते हैं मेरे रडार पे कौन कौन से स्टॉक्स हैं. तो पहला स्टॉक है मेरे रडार पे अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस, राइट. अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से एक प्राइस रिवर्सल हुआ यहाँ पे, एंड उसके बाद थोड़ा सा गैप अप ओपनिंग, एंड देन दिस मूव दैट Adani Enterprises has given looks very promising, and above 2245, right? My buying place is going to be 2245, and our target could be about 100 points from this place. But Adani is really, if you look into the data, open interest is developing in a very positive way. There's a huge support getting built up at 2100. The put writing is pretty much huge, and the resistance is coming over at about 2300. A lot of call writing is happening at 2300. So 2300, if it is broken, then 2350 target can definitely be expected. So this is if you see broadly, it's a double bottom pattern as well. So crossing over at this place, which is 2245 or 2246, we definitely can expect some kind of move in Adani Enterprises. So mind you, because my trades are all buy trades, you have to do only trading when the market looks positive or market gives a little bit support. The next stock that I have on my radar is Balrampur Chini, right? That's my next stock, and the stock looks pretty promising, almost like Adani Enterprises. I have a look at it, these 5 candles which are almost forming inside, and if it breaks above 415, it will be a decisive move, and then the stock is definitely go up till about 425. So this is a promising structure in Balrampur Chini that can show a breakout tomorrow or in coming few days. The next is LTI, right? Larsen and Toubro Infotech. Look at the kind of price breakout it has given today. After this, what you need to do, wait for a gap up opening. कल अगर गैप अप ओपनिंग होती है और ये पीछे का बैरियर क्रॉस होता है which is 4463, you can definitely take an entry. Now I would like to ask you, in case there is a gap up opening, then what would you call this candlestick pattern? Suppose gap up happens here, what would you call this candlestick pattern? Right, please write it in the comment box, because your comments will help me in understanding that you are being able to follow what I'm telling you for so long. That's my third stock. Then fourth stock is FSL, right? First source solution. First source solution has almost, like, see here, there's a price rejection at this level. So this need to be crossed. This boundary of 115.5 need to be crossed. Then a target of 118 can definitely be seen. And in case 118 is crossed, then 120 target. And if 120 is crossed, a target of 125 can be definitely seen. Right? So that's my fourth stock. My last stock today is going to be AB Capital. Right? So that's going to be my next stock. Look at the price. So in fact, all the stocks that you've seen, whether it is Adani, Balrampur Chini, LTI, FSL or AB Capital, all of them have this similar structure. They've been struggling to break through their past barrier for almost like 5-6 days. As market is indecisive, they're not being able to do. Only thing that you can remember, that when Bank Nifty fell so much, this stock did not fall. Even for that matter, Adani Enterprises did not fall when the market fell massively. It didn't fall as much. So the stance is definitely looking very good. So my stocks are going to be Adani Enterprises, Balrampur Chini, LTI, FSL and AB Capital. These 5 stocks are going to be on my radar. I will take a thoughtful entry. When I feel that now it's a correct way to enter, then I'm going to take an entry. But please do not jump on the trading just because I'm giving you. You have to use your own brain. You have to use your own analysis. You need to see the open interest, the option chain where the boundaries are getting created, all the details you need to understand and then trade into it. Please, and if you understand what I'm trying to teach you and if you find my work good, please write a comment, give a thumbs up. All the best. Take care. See you in the next video.